Josh, mind if I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, sure.
What's this?
That'd be the oil cap,
Okay, what's that?
the gas cap.
Okay, cool. And what do you do with this thing right here?
You sit on it.
Okay, what happened here?
Well, I kind of went down in the corner over there. We had the wrong tires on the bike. We had dirt tires on it. I was wondering if that was going to be an issue, but we really didn't have a whole lot of choice at the time. So I went out there and rode it like I stole it anyway, and it wasn't long before I was sliding down the track.
Well, you joined the club with me and Rhett. We're the three. It's a small, very elite club of track sliders out here at Moonshiner Speedway.
Well, I'm hoping that don't happen to anybody else this weekend.
Yeah. I was riding it yesterday with the button tires with Matt Waxler, and I was pushing hard, but on those buttons, I'm telling you, it won't hold. It's wanting to slide.
It's wanting to slide.
Oh yeah. So I know what you're going through.
When I leaned it all the way over and I got it off of the buttons, it was just as slick as a baby's butt. There wasn't no way to.
And there's a lot of oil film on the track too, because we've been running out here for 2 days now, so you get a lot of oil film on the track because these things just push oil out.
I've been noticing a lot of stuff flying off the track too.
Yeah.
Little pieces of stuff.
So you're here to redeem yourself from March, huh?
Yeah, I was really thought I had it in the bag last year, and then it is what it is.
Well, if it makes you feel better, Matt's a balls out rider, and he came and goes, dude, he goes, I've never seen anybody ride like that.
That's awesome. That's,
Yeah.
hey, for somebody like that to say something like that, that's quite a compliment.
And the word on the street is that there may be a bigger motor coming for this, or a faster motor coming for this.
Oh yeah. You give it to me, and I'll give it all it's got.
So we're gonna take this thing from Schlitz to Moonshine, man.
I'm ready. I really feel privileged to be out here and be part of this race.
We're glad you came down.
Really
Really
appreciate you putting this on for everybody,
Hey, man.
and really appreciate you putting me on the bike.
No problem. Glad you're the crazy bastard I put on there.
Dang right. Hopefully I'll win for you. Kind of like when you fire a gun, the bullets leave the barrel.